Where'd that other one go?
It's just standing right next to you. Look.
Oh.
Look.
Yeah, but...
Oh, the other one must have gone out then.
Yeah, it's okay. Come on.
Yep. Gun! Shoot! Come on.
Yeah. Keep the camera on, bud.
Yep.
Guineas are fighters.
Come on. Gun!
I don't... That's okay, bud. Just focus on the... I don't think they're going to try and get over that.
I don't think so.
Yeah. They're hard to grab a hold of. Come on, you.
Gun! Shoot!
Come on.
Shoot!
Like, hey, that's how you do that.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm not hurt. Come on.
I remember how annoying those were.
Come on, you. Come on. Come on.
Gun! Yep. There you go. It's all going.
2 for 1.
Mm.
Come on. Come on. Come on. All right.
Yep. There we go.
All right.
There's one up on the cage
Yeah,
next to
that's
you.
okay. I might put him down to force him to socialize with the others.
Yep.
Just a minute, hold on. You getting any usable footage and all that?
Yeah.
There we go.
I ain't got the shakes like Uncle Sam.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. You can turn it off, bud.
Alright.
We just let out all the guinea keats and the leghorns in with the others. Seems like they're getting along. They've had weeks to get to know each other through the wire. So it's not like they're strangers. This original guinea here will like be a mother to them all. I'm gonna throw them some grain, help them all get acclimated.